Hey, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, also I did a 5 off of 20 gain. Now every number did not get a 5 off of 20 gain. People got different coupons that I'm thinking, because on my numbers that I got mainly 5 off of 20 gain, and then on Saturdays you get your 5 off of 25. So I was like, you know what, I'm get ready to make sure that both of these actually come off for Saturday. Now, the store that I go to is a old receipt store. We do not have, that's close to my home, the new store receipt. So I'm so happy about that. So every store that I mainly go to right now is an old receipt store. So I'm doing the 5 off of 25. Also, I am doing the 5 off of 20 gain. And both of those did glitch. And I will show you on my receipt. Yes, I am in a different little location. I decided to film right here. I'm in my room. So I'm on my bed filming for right now, because I did not feel like going in my room to film. So I just went ahead and just laid everything out. So, and just said, I'm just going to film right here. So what I'm going to show you now is what I got for the 5 off of 20 gain, and then the 5 off of 25. Okay. So, and y'all, I did come with a low out of pocket. Now, 2 items you don't have to get, and it still would have worked. You just would have been $2 less out of pocket of what I actually came out of pocket today for my subtotal. Okay. So let's go ahead and get to this video. So the first thing I got was these Febreze plug gain. Make sure that when you do the 5 off of 20 gain, or whatever you have on your number, the item says gain. It has to say gain. Also, scan it in your app to make sure that the coupon does attach. Okay. So this right here, this gain Febreze, this is like the multi-pack. It is, let's see, the multi-packs are $10 for this. I had a $5 off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing I got was the Gain Flings. This is the 24 pack. The Gain Flings, they are, let's see, how much was the Gain Flings? $7.50. There was a $2 off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing is the Febreze plug single. The Febreze plug single was $5.50. There was a $2.50 off digital coupon that did attach. So right here alone, I could have just got these 3 items for the 5 off of 20 and would have been fine, because everything, it would have came off. The 5 off of 20 would have came off. My coupons would have came off, and then I would have been okay if it was not Saturday. Now for Saturday, when you have your 5 off of 25, you want to go a little bit more, so you can actually get it attached. You also want to try to find things that is like, if you have a good coupon to make it free or really low out of pocket, try to find. Sometimes you might not have those coupons, but then sometimes you might. But then also in the stores, you might have the coupons, but the items might not even be there. So you have to look at that sometimes when you're actually doing deals. Okay. So the next thing I got to go on with my 5 off of 25, I picked up this Downy. The Downy, it is the Downy Lavender. My coupon is only scanning and attaching to the lavender scent. It is $6.95. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. Make sure when you pick up these Downy, make sure that the bottles are full, because some of the bottles that I seen, I don't know if people was trying to test it out and pour some in a bottle, or if they were smelling it or what, I don't know. But some of the bottles was not full. So make sure that you check and make sure the bottles are full. Then the next thing I got was this Vicks Vapor Cool Severe, I'm sorry. They are the 18 count. Okay, these are, let's see, $2.50. I had $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. Y'all, these things are really nasty. I tried them, and like I told you, I think it was in another video, they have these, the menthol ones, and then they have like the honey. It's nasty. Both of them are nasty, but I get them because if I have a good coupon, it makes my transaction be a little less out of pocket. So when I picked up the Gain, I picked up this Gain and this Gain. You know, it's the 5 off of 20. So I added these two items into my transaction to get me over $25. I was trying to find the Nivea, but they was all out of the ones that was actually $5 and I think 75 cents or $5.50. But they had the one that was $7, and I was like, no, I don't need that right now. So I picked these 5 items to make my 5 off of 25, and then my 5 off of 20 came off, and my 5 off of 25 came off. But then I was going down the aisle and I seen these Nerds gummy clusters. Now these are not on sale, but me and my husband really like these. They come in the red, and I think it's a blue bag. And so I picked me and him up a bag, and these are really good. Really good, y'all. So, like I said, these 2 items you really don't have to get. I just got those 2 items because me and him like these Nerds, and I seen them, they was $1 and they was cheap, because they usually about almost $7 for a bag. So not this size bag, but $7 for a bag. So after I put everything on the belt, she scanned everything, I put the number in. My subtotal came to $10.44. Now, if you didn't have these 2, it would have came up to $8.44, okay? But let me show you my receipt. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So here you go. There's the Gain Flings. There's the Febreze Gain. The single pack. There is right here the multi-pack. Then there's the Nerds cluster, which was no coupon. Then there's the Vicks. There is the Downy. And then there is my subtotal, $10.44. And look, total savings was $24.01. Now, y'all, I was just trying to do the 5 off of 25, but there is also a 10 off of 40 that is actually, I clipped 2. If I could have found the what was it? The lotion, Nivea lotion. I probably could have did the 10 off of 40, but that's fine. But this is what I got for November for next week. I got a 10 off of 40, and then also a 5 off of 25. I hope we get another Gain, so I can do another Gain deal, because I really liking doing these Gain deals. As long as we got the items, the products in the stores, it's a good thing. So after everything has came off, I'm happy. Got a low out of pocket. It's not on the low, but anything these days that is $10, round about 10, to me now is on the low. So if you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's